If you avail our starter pack package, you will be automatically become a wholesaler of Entrep Hub frozen products and will get 30% discount on all the products. Yes, and more. You will be also become a distributor of our F. Marie & Co. and Unified Wellness. So, grabe no? Sa halagang 18,998, you will also have free Unified Wellness products. And the products that we have now is we have one absorbency, one Garcinia Cambogia, one glutathione, and one Obagicet, one EDP perfume, one bracelet, one product catalog, one golden turmeric, one services, pliers, and 10 price list, one tarpaulin, and one eco bag. Grabe! You have all of these free products. And you will also have the free business kit marketing materials. You have the eco bag, yes, yung paglalagyan ng ating freebies, and yes, the flyers and the tarpaulin. So, also, you will have the free insurance, which is the 110,000 personal accident insurance coverage of 1 year. So, grabe no? We are given this free. But, wag nyo na pong i-claim. Yes. I-check nyo lang sa Malayan Insurance na malapit sa inyo kung nandoon ang inyong pangalan. Pero wag nyo nang i-claim kasi ang mag-claim niyan is yung beneficiaries nyo. Purya buyag. So, our services, when you avail the starter pack of 18,998, you will have all of these services. You will have the remittance, bills payment, loading, ticketing, airline, travel and tours, hotel booking, and insurances. Pwede ka na dyang magbenta ng insurance. Yes. And yes, our services offered in remittance, our partners are Cebuana, Western Union, iRemit, MoneyGram, Smart Padala, GCash, and more banks. Also, we have our bills payment. We have the Bayad Center, we have PLDT, Smart, Manila Water, Globe, Maynilad, Meralco, Water District, and 2,000 bailers. Yes. So, we also have our loading. The Sun, Smart, Globe, TM, Signal, Level Up, TNT, Game Club. Yes, pwede tayong mag-load dito ng mga games. We have the Garena, Globe, and the International Loading. Yes. And also we have our ticketing airlines. In ticketing, we have 406 airlines. We have Philippine Airlines, Air Asia, Cebu Pacific, G-Star, China Airlines, Skynet. We have Etihad, Scoot, Malaysia, Emirates, and more. So, also we have our insurances, our personal accident and TPL insurance. We have MaxiCare. In MaxiCare, you will use this kapag nasa hospital kayo. Yes, meron tayo dyan. That is the healthcare. And we have also the life insurance. Yun yung mag-benefit yung ang family mo kapag nawala ka and kapag na-aksidente ka. So, yes, we have also our Balayan Insurance and APG Insurance. Pili na lang kayo dyan kung aling insurance ang gusto nyo. Pwede ka rin dyan mag-insure ng mga sasakyan, ng mga gamit, ng mga cellphone, nandyan lahat sa insurance natin. So, we have also our hotel booking, travel and tours. We have domestic, international tour packages. We have hotel resort accommodation. We have travel service assistance. And we have the transport services. So, ganyan kaganda ang ating business. Sa halagang 18,998, ang dami mo ng business na mapasukan at ang dami mo ng business na maumpisahan. So, here is our legalities. You can check at our Association of Filipino Franchisers Incorporated. So, we are also registered at Anti-Money Laundering. We are also registered at our BIR, and ito ang pinakamagandang balita kasi tayo lang ang network company na registered sa BSP, sa Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, kasi meron tayong remittances. We are in partner of mini banks, international and national banks. So, check nyo na lang yan sa online kung nandoon ang ating company. And of course, it's a very privilege to introduce our company executive owner, the CEO and President of Unified Products and Services. Let's welcome Mr. Emmanuel Manny Pascual. Yes, our president is an accountant by profession and a successful business entrepreneur and a network marketing industry icon. And not only that, he is a top earner in any MLM companies he joined, and he is now 20, maybe 26 years in MLM, and a millionaire creator. Also, our CEO is a sought after mentor. Ang dami-dami niya ng napayaman na mga tao. And also, our CEO and president is a bank employee in Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Kaya alam niya kung paano ibabudget at kung paano ang pag-calculate ng pera. So, walang kaba, walang para sa akin, no? Kasi yung presidente natin is not just doing the business for himself, but for all the Filipinos and all people na gustong mabago ang buhay at mairaos sa kahirapan ang buhay ng bawat Pilipino. And if you see this man personally, you can say that he is not doing this business for himself, because he is heart to heart na tumutulong sa mga taong mahirap. And when you see this man na sa mga videos niya, and personally very humble, kasi siya lang naman yung CEO na basta-basta nyo lang makikita sa opisina, and basta-basta mo lang makamayan, kasi nga sobrang napaka handful niya sa business. And siya lang naman yung CEO na makikita mo palagi sa kumpanya. And so, our business is globally innovating. And we have branches in UAE, Dubai, Malaysia, Hong Kong, Singapore, and many more. And right now, he is in Singapore, but this picture is in Dubai last 2 months ago. So, thank you for watching, and to God be the glory. Sana makapag-decide na kayo ngayon, and sana wag nyo nang damihan pa ng balakid sa utak nyo kung ano ang gusto nyong simulan, at sana makapag-decide kayo para sa sarili nyo, and may God guide you all your prayers and your mind peacefully, and sana talaga mag-guide ka ng Panginoon para mag-decide to grow your money wallet. And thank you for listening. Thank you very much sa pagtapos ng video na ito. God bless us all. Thank you. Bye-bye.